Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class we saw how to add the records into the database. So let's continue our tutorial. So this is our first page. So here in this page we add the records into the database we saw. Now what I'm going to do is here, go to the project payroll employee. Here this is the package, employee package. Here what I'm going to do is select the payroll.java, the same file, right click and copy and select the package and right click and paste and refactor copy. Here I am going to change this one as a update. This is update, right? You have to change the name as this one as a update, right? I'm get the copy of the same copy of the payroll.java same page. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is here I have to do some couple of modification here. The same thing here, instead of saving I'm going to this one, you have to change it as a update, and here I'm going to this button we need to change it as a delete, update and delete, and we need another two buttons. So drag two buttons here, this one for exit. After that we need another one button for search. So here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to get one label here, employee ID, right, employee ID. Here I'm going to put one text field here, right click, right, remove the space, right, this one right click, change variable txt id, right. This one we already changed the name, so because we copy this page from payroll.java, right. Now what I'm going to do is here all the codes will be there, we have to modify the things, right. First thing what I'm going to do is I need another one button for search the image, sorry, search the data, search operation we have to do. Here we have to write a search, right. First we have to search the data before we have to update or delete, right. Here first what I'm going to do is this is the button, so right click, event, action perform, right. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the code for the search part. So the same, right, first string id equal, what is the text box name is txt id. So when the user enter the id on the text box, it's passing to the variable what's the wrong, txt, this one should be txt id, right? So txt id is a capital letter, that's the problem, right. Dot gettext, when the user enter the id on this text box, is passing the variable passing to the variable id, right. Here, after that what I'm going to do is here you have to write as a class, we already wrote the class and everything for our this one, right click, control C, copy, control V, paste it. Here what is available in this page is all the codes will be available on the payroll.java, all the coding and interface will be available. We have to do the couple of modification only. Okay, if you create again by the same thing, it take too much of time to complete the software, so that you have to reuse. Once you did one thing, you have to reuse, you will be save the time to complete the project, right. Now here you just copy this one, here it asks to surrounded with the catch, you have to write like this, you cut off this one, you no need to write the try catch, okay. If you write this code, it automatically asks in NetBeans, okay. So here you have to this one catch, right, here error go away, right. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write the prepare statement, pst equal, I already create the object above here, pst object here above, right, pst, so write con dot prepare statement, you have to write here as select all from What is that record you are selecting? You are selecting as this record. Table name is employee payroll. Here this record is a table. You have to select the record, right? That is if when the person select this ID, record will be shown, right? So employee payroll record is a table name record where ID equal question mark, right? Here we are right. Question mark means it's a prepared statement. We have to write. It's an efficient way to write it as a prepared statement, right? Dot. You have to write as a set string. Sorry. Dot set string 1. This ID we have to pass it here, right? When the person enter the ID, this ID variable will be stored in this ID variable. If you are pass it here, it goes to the question mark, right? What is when the person select the ID, it is go here and relevant record will be displayed. So here we have to display the text box. So here we have to write a rs rep. We have to write here as another thing is a result set object. Result set rs, right? It asking to create the namespace. You have to click the namespace here, right? Now here rs, you have to put it here. Rs equal pst dot execute query. After that you have to write. After that you have to write this one. If rs dot next equal false. If there is no record available, it's showing the message as option pan dot show message dialog. We will show the message as this. Show the message as record not found. If the record is available, we have to show the records into the text fields, right? Here first what I am going to do is here you have to write string first name f name equal, you have to get the first name is rs dot get string. You have to pass that variable as a here this one, right? The first one here is first name. First name should be stored in this variable, right? Second one should be first name. What is the first name here? F name. Sorry, f name. This is the database column name is f name, right? It's passing to the variable here, right? If the record is found, relevant records will be coming here. It's set into this variable, right? The same record we have to copy this one, paste it here, right? This one should be L name. Here also last name. Third one should be gender. So third one should be, you have to write as a address. Here also you have to write as Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste address. This one should be, we have to write as a B cell. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. After that you have to write as a B cell. After that you have to write as a gender. Right. Here you have to write as a gender. Right. Here what I am going to do is here gender. We have a choice here. If gender, what is the record display in gender, is passing the variable here gender dot equals if it is male, female, if it is female, here it's female, what happens is here, if it is female, we have to J radio button 1 dot selected false, set selected false, and here to true. Else here we have to write as a 2, this one should be 1. True. False. Right. If it is female, radio button 1 mean this one will be false. If it is male, this one should be false. Right? That's the thing I have set here. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here, all the stuff are correct here. We have to pass into the relevant variables. So here after that we have image is a must stuff. So here we have to write an image. After that we have image. So we have to write blog blob data type blob b equal rs dot get blob. You have to write as a get the photo. This one, the column name is photo. This column name you have to get it here. Right, column name photo. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here, get the photo. You have to store as a byte. Byte. You have to write equal byte. Here to image byte. Create the object as image byte equal. You have to this one. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Dot. You have to, what is the problem? Blob dot. Now here we have to, the problem is here we have to add the namespace. That's the problem right here. Right, that's the problem here. Right now it's working. Get byte. Here we have to write as, here we have to write here what is the column, this one here for the photo. Right, here we have to write this one as this one photo. This column name is photo. Write as photo. Photo. You write like this. Int block dot length. Right, that's the stuff you have to write. Here we have to change this one as a 6. That's okay. Right, 6 mean this is the column 1 2, this one 1 2 0 1 2 3 6. This one will be the 6, sorry, 7th position, not the 6th, 7th position. Right, 0 position 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 6th position, because database table always starting from 0 position, id 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 position. Right, okay. Right, you have to pass it here as well. If you no need to type this one for first name, you will be able to give the number. Right, what is the position here. Okay, that's the stuff you have to do. Right, after that what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write create a image, create the object g equal image dot should not this one. Okay, here have to write another stuff. We have to write another stuff is here. Image icon. Image icon. So you have to create as image equal new image icon. Here we have to write as a byte, image byte, this one. You have to control C to copy, control V to paste here. After that we have what I'm going to write is here. You have to give image ggg, create the object gg. You have to create any name there. I just create as ggg dot get image. Right, after that you have to write as a image a equal ggg dot get scale instance, this one. Here we have to write as a image label dot image label mean this label, the label of this image we have to display this one. Control C to copy, we will paste it here. Sorry, not this one, here this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After that we have to dot get width, right? The same thing you have to this one also. Well, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Dot get width, get height, dot image, right? Dot comma image, you have to write image dot scale default, sorry, scale smooth, we have to type select as smooth, right? That stuff you have to do, right? After that you have to write as a image icon IC equal new image icon, you have to write as a this a we have to call here this, right? Stuff you have to write. After that, that's the only thing we have to write. After that we have to call it the, here we have to display the relevant text boxes as well. So how to display relevant text boxes, these are the name of that one: txt first name, txt last name, right? Txt f name dot set text, here we have to write as this one as a what is the variable you have to display the image, this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Dot trim, right? Same thing you have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. L name, here we have this one also, L name means this one. Third one should be txt address set text, here we have to write as this one as a this one. Fourth one should be Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. B cell, this one we have to write as a B cell. First here this one txt B cell. Right. After that we need a gender, so we have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be, we have to write like this. Radio button, here we have to, we no need this one, it's automatically selected here, right? It's no need here, we have to give here, it's automatically no need to write. Final one should be, we have to write as a image icon, image this one. What the thing is here, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Dot set icon IC, that's the stuff you have to do. This IT you have to pass it here, right? That's the stuff we have to do when you click the update, right? Here first we have to customize this one, change it as this one as a update. We have to select the form. When the form is here, we have to check these things. One, click out, search. What's the error on here? The blob length. The problem is on the this one. Employee update server null post argument the blob length. Problem is here. Here the problem is this one. See here length we have to give as 1 here, not 6, 1. We have to give this one as 1, right? The problem. Okay, this is not a database column, you have to put as this one as a 1, right? The database column means the photo, it's passing the blob here, it is taken here length. Okay, this one you have to take it as 1. Okay, now let's run the code and let's check. That's a problem. 1, right? It's working successfully here, it's working successfully. That's why it's a female, it's coming. This male available with female coming mean here I have a problem. If it is female, male false, radio button true. If it is male, here we have to this one here as true, this one false, right? Now here we have to check. Here successfully working, right? This is how we have to check we have to search the image, right? Now I hope you understood so far. In my next tutorial I am going to teach update and deletion part. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me.